One goal of creating your Google Ads campaign is to raise brand awareness and visibility of your company, products, or services. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. To achieve this, you can create a campaign using the brand awareness and reach goal to increase the traffic to your site or online shop and to tempt customers to engage with your brand. After setting up your Google Ads campaign, there are some important metrics that you should monitor to know how your ads are performing and whether any adjustments need to be made. Impressions. You should track impressions in any campaign, whatever the initial objective, but it is especially important in brand awareness campaigns. This metric will tell you how many people have actually seen your ad, whether or not they bought from you. You can prioritize impressions by creating a cost per thousand impressions campaign, which means that you will pay for the number of impressions that your ad received rather than the number of clicks. Customer engagement. If branding is your goal, you can use the click-through rate to monitor the engagement of your customers for search network ads. Conversions. These can help you to see whether your ads are increasing brand awareness in a way that is leading to conversions, such as email signups or blog post views. Reach and frequency. Reach will tell you the number of visitors that have seen the ad, and the frequency gives you the average number of times that a visitor has viewed your ad over a set time period. Hope you like this video. Thank you for your time and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.